Horizontal. Sige. Alright. O, ganyan lang. Okay, very good. Mabi. Horizontal line. Okay, very good. Okay, so now we will go to curve. Curve line. Easy. Curve line.
Curve line.
Okay, oh, very good. Mabi, curve line. Here, on the right here. Okay, very good, Mabi. Ilang, very good. Okay, now we will go to zigzag. That is a zigzag line. Oh, Aliyah, zigzag line. Zigzag line. Una, up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up,
Mabi, look mama.
up, down. Okay, very good. Mabi, zigzag line. Up, down, see. Up, see, down, up.
Up.
Sige pa. Very good. Sige, at least you participate, no? Okay, so zigzag line, no, children? Wow. What is this? Come here. What is this here? Vertical. This one. Horizontal. This one. Curve. This one. Zigzag. Okay. Good boy.
Get your notebook.
Good boy, Maddie. Ay, hindi na makakalimutan mo kahit isa, hindi mo alam. O si Mama.